Start from the beginning.
Okay. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ra, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد ضاد طاء ألف باء تاء ثاء ها جيم ها خا دال زال را زا
Quran
سين
translation
شين
open now.
صاد ضاد طاء.
Yeah. From the last letter, Ibrahim, now you can start, please.
Okay. ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال دال ها خا خا ها جيم تا طا دا با ألف.
Again, from the last letter.
ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را صال دال خا خا ها جيم طا طا دال را ألف.
From the Jim again.
جيم جيم طا طا
Before Jim, what?
با جيم
Before Jim, with three dots. Letter what?
ثا تا
Tha, ta, ba, alif. One time from the beginning to last letter. One time from the last letter go to first letter. It's a practice.
Okay.
Hurry up, good boy.
ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا. ضا ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال دال خا ها جيم طا تا با ألف.
Don't stop.
ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا. ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا. Oh yeah, طا.
What's your
God.
yesterday's lesson?
Her lesson was طا.
What was yesterday lesson?
طا lesson was tha.
Twa.
Tha.
Twa.
Tha.
Twa without any dot. And zwa is one dot. With one dot is zwa. And without any dot, twa. Twa, zwa. What read now?
Tha. 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 Tha.
Twa, zwa.
Tha.
Twa, zwa.
Tha. Dwa.
Twa,
Tha.
zwa.
Dwa. Tha. Tha. Dwa. Tha. Dwa. Tha. So. Dwa and ta. Dwa and ta. Dwa and ta. Dwa. Ta. Dwa. Dot. Dot. Dwa. Dot. Dwa. Dwa. I'm gonna
Twa
go to
and zwa. Okay, about supplication, hadith, tell me.
worship is supplication. Supplication is worship.
About angry.
Do not become angry.
Okay.
Line.
About envy.
Do not envy one another.
Nice. Repeat it now, please.
Repeat. Dwa. 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 Dwa.
No. Carefully,
Dwa.
carefully. Twa, zwa. Twa, zwa.
Dwa. Dwa.
One second.
Dwa. Dwa. Dwa.
How many pages
Dwa.
we was completed?
Dwa.
Okay. I think you are tired.
Dwa.
Okay. Take relief now. Allah give you health. Type your lesson number. Page of Qaida's translation.
Dwa. 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 Dwa.
Continue, Ibrahim. Don't stop.
Okay. Dwa. Dwa. Dwa.
Sorry.
Dwa. Dwa.
2 o'clock.
Dwa.
Now which time?
So like tomorrow, me and Adrian are going to
3:15,
school,
2
and like we're going to
o'clock.
different school, and at 3 we're
Okay.
supposed to
2
meet our
o'clock also
teachers, like
good,
3
and
p.m.
12 o'clock also good. No issue. When you will free, then call me. No issue. It's your family academy, as you wish. Oh, no issue. You are when you will comfortable, then take class. No issue.
Mama,
Okay. Yeah.
are we
Okay.
going?
No problem. Welcome.
No.
Okay. Fi amanillah. Assalamu
When are
alaikum
we gonna go?
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.
Da, 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 to, 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 to,
Ibrahim is very
good student.
good student. Okay, good read. Okay, dua and tua.
Dua, do and tua, do and tua, do and tua, do, tua, do, 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 tua.
Carefully.
Okay.
Don't stop.
Dua, da, dua, 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 dua,
Carefully. Carefully read now.
to and zo, to and zo, to and zo, to and zo, to,
With one dot to which letter?
zoa, dua, dua, zo,
Stretch it. Tua,
to,
zwa.
and to, zo, to and zo,
Tua,
to,
zwa.
dua, do, hua, zo,
Stay looking on lesson.
hua, zo, dua, zo, hua, zo, hua, zo, hua, zo, dua, zo, hua, 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 zo,
Tua and zwa. Tua and.
to and zo,
Okay.
to and
Nice student name is
Ibrahim,
Ibrahim. Ibrahim is good student.
Yeah.
What's your teacher
And
name?
good reader.
MashaAllah. What's your teacher name?
Qurani Nasir.
Yeah, Qari Nasir. Teacher Nasir. Qari Nasir. Okay, I am Qari Nasir. Okay, we are starting now interesting hadith lesson. 60 golden hadith for children. It's for children means easy lesson. Okay, yeah, especially for children. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, start from the beginning. Don't
Simplification.
from the beginning. The messenger of Allah said in this time.
Dua supplication is worship.
Yeah, nice. Okay, next.
Do not become angry.
Nice.
Do not envy one another.
Nice, good. Next one. This one.
Do not hate one another.
Continue next. Don't stop.
Modesty al-haya is a branch of faith.
Modesty is a branch of faith. Next. Righteousness is a good attitude.
Actions are but by intention.
Oh, righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude. Actions are but by intentions. Okay. Okay, please continue next.
In a new one? Keto. We did that one. The key to paradise is prayer.
The key to paradise is prayer. Okay, yeah. The key to paradise is prayer.
New one?
New one. Yeah, very easy, inshallah. Kullu ma'rufin sadaqa. Every act of kindness is
a charity.
Charity. Good. Every act of kindness is a charity. Yeah, repeat it. Every act of kindness is a charity.
Kindness is charity.
Yeah, don't stop.
Kindness is every act of kindness is a charity. 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 Every act of kindness is a charity.
Nice. Mashallah. Say assalamu alaikum. You can go call to sister now. Say assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Goodbye.